Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for the GDR test, this lesson is just for you. Today we are going to focus on transitional words, the powerful connectors that help organize your writing, improve your reading comprehension, and clearly show the relationship between ideas. Whether you're writing an external response or analyzing a passage, using and recognizing transitional words is key to scoring higher. So, let's take a look at 9 types of transitions that can help you succeed on the GDLA. First up, we have edited transitions. These help us add more information or emphasize a point. Listen to this. Reading is enjoyable, however, it improves vocabulary and critical thinking skills. See? Moreover, acts a bonus idea. Other examples include in addition, also, furthermore, for example, and non-liberal. Next, let's talk about sequential or chronological transitions. These words help us show time or order. Check this out. First, brainstorm your ideas. Next, create an outline. Finally, begin your writing essay. It's like giving directions step by step. Use words like first, then, after, before, meanwhile, and subsequently. Now, let's look at cause and effect transitions. These show why something happens and what the result is. Here's an example. He missed the bags, therefore, he arrived late to the school. Therefore shows the consequence. You can also say because, since, thus, a result, or consequently. Sometimes we want to show a contrast, something different or opposite, like this. I enjoy reading novels, however, I prefer nonfiction for learning new concepts. However, signals a change in direction. Other useful words, but, although, even though, nevertheless, and on the other hand. Want to compare two things? Use comparison transitions. Here's an example. Both writers share similar themes. Likewise, they explore complex emotions. Likewise, show similarity. You can also use similarly in the same way and just up. Sometimes we need to explain more clearly. That's where clarification transitions help. The instructions were unclear. In other words, I didn't know how to proceed. See how it make the idea easier to understand? Use phrases like to clarify, that is, or for instance. Want to stress an idea? Use emphasis transitions. Exercise is essential. In fact, doctors recommend at least 30 minutes daily. It makes your point stronger. You can also use indeed, above all, and most importantly. Describing location, use spatial transitions. The keys are on the table next to the vase. These are great for giving directions or describing a place. Try above, below, in front of, behind, and more. And finally, let's wrap it up with concluding transitions. In conclusion, setting goals is crucial for achieving success. These help you summarize your main ideas. Now you learn 9 important types of transitional words, a skill that can make a big difference on the GDLE test. Whether you're writing an external response or answering reading comprehension questions, transitions help you organize your thoughts and understand how ideas connect. So keep practicing. The more you use transitional words in your writing and recognize them in reading passages, the more confident and prepared you'll be. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more GD tips, and keep moving forward, one step at a time. You got this.